Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to New Stuff TV, the untechnical tech channel. I'm your host, Antoine. I got some new stuff up in here, Richardson, because look what we got. Look what we got, man. It's a box. Yes, it looks like an ordinary box on the outside, but if you look closely inside, you'll see that it is a PlayStation VR2. Man, they really do know how to box some stuff up over at PlayStation, don't they? I'm gonna tear this thing up, getting inside. That's what she said. All right, I'm just gonna dump it all out. Okay, man. It feels like there's some paper or something in there, but I'll kick this to the side. And this looks like some wires, maybe. Yeah, what we got here? USB-C to USB-A cable. We got, these are the earbuds / headphones you get with it. So I will be gentle with these because they actually attach to the headset. There's some extra ear tips. Let's put this over here. Now let's get into this. Now before we actually get into the headset, let's go ahead and open up these little controllers here. All right, this is kind of cool. You got a lanyard that you strap onto your wrist. That way you make sure you don't lose control and throw this into a window or a mirror or something. I don't know which one is going to be left or right. I'm thinking this is the left hand. There's your trigger right there. Man, that feels good. Feels good, nice and responsive. Smooth resistance all the way through. Then we got our little thumbstick here. Got our triangle and square. Everything's pretty reachable, except I am running into this little circular arc piece with the top of my thumb, but maybe I shouldn't be bringing it up that far. Then you got a little button here. This is your L1. Okay, so this kind of resembles what you would get in your DualSense controller on the left-hand side. All right, let's open up the right one. I'm expecting to see the exact same thing, only mirrored on the opposite side. And yes, you got your R1, you got your R2, you got your thumbstick, and then, I didn't even notice this. This is your menu button, and then that is your screenshot button right there. So everything is mirrored. If you put it together, it looks exactly like what you would find the layout to be on a DualSense controller. Nice, real nice. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this headset. Man, okay. I haven't messed around with VR really since, I don't know, maybe the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 days when they came out with the Samsung VR. This is kind of fly. Okay, so we can see in there. You see your little eyeballs in there? You getting in there, Wilson? Can you see the two eyeballs? Look at that. Okay, you got your eyeballs. And this is a very, very spongy, like super soft. Be careful not to tear this. This is like a neoprene material and it's gonna feel really soft on your forehead. That way you don't get any irritation on your nose or your forehead or your eyebrows. Up top here, this is actually, I keep saying neoprene, but we're probably talking about silicone here. So this is actually pretty soft too. Very, very cushion-like soft material on the front, back, and around your eyes. So feels like a nicely built, comfortably built headset. On the front, you see you got cameras, which I've been putting my fingerprints all over, so I'll have to wipe those off. You got 4 of them right there. And that's gonna help position yourself as well as see your outside surroundings, hopefully, because that's one of the things I never liked about VR, is the fact that you can't really see your outside surroundings and you're closed off, and I don't know, people might be wanting to screw with you while you're in there enjoying yourself. Okay, I think I got it. Let me tighten it up just a little bit. All right, get that pressure off my nose, and I am comfortable. Wilson, we gotta get this set up. I am super excited. Okay, I got a controller here. I'm ready to do some stuff. This thing really tracks your eyes. Like, I'm selecting things with my eyeballs. Simple controls. Let's do standard. No, comfort. I'm just looking at stuff with my eyeballs and it's knowing what I want. I wish I could do that at like the bakery. Like I just look at it and it gets in my stomach. Whoa, this dude is all up on me. Why are you so close, bro? Well, guy is really close. Okay. Oh, we're in a boat together. Hey. In the light, right? I'm in a boat. I got the. That's my hands. I'm in a boat.
Several years in the military, and she still believes in justice.
Can I get that?
You sit your patronizing ass down and paddle?
Why she yelling at homeboy?
If he runs?
Where to?
This is freaking awesome.
Is Dawn's grasp, and that's where
Wilson, you gotta try this.
That's where we're taking him.
Dawn's
This shit looks real.
Put your voice down. there are machines out here.
Man, this is straight up 3D.
Mirage's giving you a chance.
I wanna,
We will make it back to Don's
Man.
Crest alive. You can talk to him about a pardon. So, either take your chances with us, or...
there's some robotic elf.
Stormbird.
What's that? What?
Stay still, you idiot. We haven't come this far to get struck by lightning.
Oh man, I'm getting vibrations and everything. From the headset, not the
All right.
controllers.
Think
Look at
we're
my
safe.
hands. This thing knows what my hands are doing. That's
So
crazy.
Sun King of Oz is willing to pardon me, a notorious enemy soldier. What does he want in return?
Oh, shit. Oh.
I asked you a question.
This whole valley's been filling with machines.
The sun brought us Edom in the shadow to find out why.
Me?
You and Rod have lost
We're just
your minds.
riding this boat with these robotic animals
can't
all over
blame
the
a
place.
ride.
Like everything's cool. This is not normal.
What's that tonic doing?
Okay, what is that?
It's heading towards Dawn's Crest.
Is that
It's
like,
headed towards us.
dude, turn the boat. Turn the freaking boat. Oh man, this is the last time we drive. Oh God. What is that? Make sure nothing else is creeping up on us. This is a pretty cool boat.
If
Not
those
bad.
machines keep coming, there's not
You
going to be
just need to
anything
drive
left
better.
of Dawn's grasp when we get there.
Famous Mirage would have sent for reinforcements.
What's that over
If
there?
there were reinforcements coming, we
Watch
wouldn't
it.
have been sent to drag this murdering stain out of prison. How they can offer him a pardon?
Man, this is so like, damn, it's like everywhere. I'm literally in
My bow.
this universe.
Everyone says Reyes is a good shot.
Yeah, and he'll put arrows
It's
through
fucking
both of
amazing.
us. You're switching with me. What?
Little
Just get up
dinosaur
front and
dude.
paddle.
Wilson, are you seeing this? Is this on the TV?
And you better hope we
getting
can deal
too-
with it.
Too close to my play zone here. Let me back up a taste. There we go. Did I move? I think I moved. Okay. Oh. Dude. These animals getting a little too close in proximity.
Quiet.
Please don't let them see us. Please don't let them see us. I'll go to every...
How come I'm the only one without a weapon?
Don't let them see us.
Son, save us. It's not like you've never seen a machine before, Kavad. Just keep us to the left, away from them.
Why are they getting so aggressive? I need a weapon. We only got one weapon for real? There's no other. We on the boat. Oh. Dude, I knew. They have. Oh, come on, give me a weapon. Oh. How many arrows you got? That's your last one. That's your last arrow. Oh man. That is a nice crossbow.
Are those
by the
watchers
way.
still following us?
I really need to
Do what
know
he said before we find out.
if
Sun
we
shines
can
upon
stop
the
somewhere
worthy.
and I can get a run or something.
Sun shines upon the worthy. Oh, the sun shines upon...
Okay. When do we like get out of the boat? I don't really like being in here anymore. Whoa!
What was that?
There's something under the boat, man. Ah!
Get to the dock.
Four of them!
You're not gonna kill that with a freaking arrow.
We're not gonna make it!
We ain't gonna make
Have
it.
to. I'm not dying for a shadow carjack.
Oh! I'm gonna need to sit down. Oh, what was that? I'm underwater. Shit. How am I breathing? I'm not supposed to be able to be breathing right now. Okay. Can I? Am I supposed to be swimming? The ladder, get up. I'm gonna drown. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die here, underwater. Oh man, time is running out. Am I supposed to? Oh, okay. Oh, Oh, oh man. Oh, okay. Oh shit. Oh, it says my battery's low. I should have charged it. I'm gonna die because my battery's. Oh. Okay, I can actually feel the air. Okay, okay, let's get out of here. Come here. Get up! Get up! Dude! Get out, man! Get out! How? Oh, here. Okay. In there. Okay. Oh my God.
Give me your hand.
That was rough. Where you
I'll
at?
get to you.
Bro, there's the boat. Hold up. Hold the square and the X to run. Okay. This one and this one. And do I run?
Just hold
Okay,
on.
run. Oh, you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh my God. Oh man, they got my boy. They got him. Oh shit.
Snap, look at me next.
Oh God. Run.
I've
Run.
got to get off this
Run.
dock.
Okay. Okay. Me. Climb up. Go, man. Go. Okay. Oh, damn. Oh, I'm up here? Okay. There we go. Oh, shit. That is big. Okay. Now I gotta fight. I think I got it. Oh, God.
I should get off this dock.
Oh, shit. Now where am I supposed to go?
Okay, Raz. Time to climb.
Come on, man. Get up there. How do you get up there? Okay. Okay. God. Climb. Can we? Okay. There we go. Oh, God. I'm getting tired. Oh.
So, when must Marad have me released
Shit.
from prison?
I gotta grab something. There we go.
Better head to Dawson's Passway and find Marad. See what he wants in return for a pardon.
Oh, man. This is freaking crazy. Okay, let's go over here. Wait, did we? Ah, there we go. Can I climb up this vine? Oh. Dude, how do I get up there? Oh, man. Oh, that's, oh my God. Oh. I can't. Oh, God. That was intense. that was a lot. That was my first VR experience in years, and that was a lot. I'm tired. I need a snack and a nap, possibly a little bit of therapy. I want to try it again. I do. Don't laugh, man. You sit here watching me. I forgot you was there. Dude, this dang sea dragon's about to eat us alive. All we got is a freaking bow and arrow. And this girl's just shooting away. We got one freaking bow and arrow. And dude is not really steering the boat fast enough. Then he fell out. And then I was trying to get it, but he got eaten. Then I had to climb up some stuff. I had to run. Bruh, it was a lot. Look, I'm not an expert in this kind of stuff, but what I do know is this PlayStation VR2 is the real deal. I ordered the trial of this game, Horizon. I think I'm just gonna order the real thing, and I'm gonna have to get some pills on standby and like finish it because it was that exciting. That is super cool. Oh, you're seeing that on the screen. That is cool, man. Hey, I gotta get out of here. Y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Hey, Wilson, hold up, man, hold up. Check this cat out, man. He just sat through this whole video from beginning to end. He didn't hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, man. He didn't even hit the little like button that they got on the little thing down there. Yeah, that little thing right there. These guys are something else, man. Let's go to lunch.